Take me out to California.
Okay, so I'm up really early because it is, well, it's Texas's birthday next week, and we booked, well, I booked, me and Brooke are going to surprise her and take her to Lanzarote. She has no idea, and we've been planning it for ages, and Brooke's managed to keep a secret. So we're taking her to the airport. She does not have any clue. She just thinks we're going on a girls' day. We've got t-shirts with a face on, so we're going to surprise her when we get there, but it's very early. And yeah, she's currently been downstairs being distracted while I get everything sorted. Cases are in the car, so she really hasn't got a clue where we're going. It's exciting, I'm excited. So Tex is in the car, sure where we're going. Okay, right, just step back, Dad, so you can get it all in. Okay, yeah. You stand over there. Guys, close to.
I want to like see it on the picture.
That's right, you're going to stand there. Okay, stand there.
No, should we stand there?
Okay, eyes closed. Eyes closed, right. Okay, hang on, stand here. Stand there, yeah. Right, okay. Okay, right, stand there. Right, okay, Texie, open your eyes. We're going to Lanzarote. We're going to Spain. Woo! What? Shock.
You don't lie,
We're going somewhere hot.
Well, it's cold now, so let's go.
Cookies freezing.
Yeah, just one moment, can I come?
Can Grandad come?
No.
We're going for a whole week. Oh,
Right, that didn't go as planned, did it? Cut.
I thought you might cry.
Right, I think we better get your coat on. And bye-bye, camera.
Say bye. Katie, how do you feel now? Now it's dawned on you a bit. You feel a bit better? And what have I just said to you about going through security? What's going to have to happen? Keep walking. Brooke, tell me what's going to happen.
She's going to have to open a present.
Why?
Because it's electrical.
So she's going to have to get a birthday present. How do you feel about that, T? Girls, how warm is it in there?
Boiling.
Why is there no one else in the pool? Why are your teeth chattering? So we've decided to walk down to the beach just for a little bit of a walk, and we were going to go and watch the sunset, but there's not really been any sun well, there is obviously the sun will go in, but I don't think it's going to be anything spectacular today. It's a little dull, but we'll just go for a little wander before we have some food.
Because there's a sandstorm.
And we're wearing the masks because there's a sandstorm, although it actually isn't as bad as it was the other day. But
God.
Everything's just covered.
And we're going to the beach. So
yeah, everything's covered in a bit of a orangey, sandy dust. You okay?
Yeah.
Is that for the effect? It's nice, lovely. Wow, so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're watching the waves. So we're currently sat here and we're going to go and see, we've just seen the dolphin show, but we are going to be swimming with the dolphins as well. So we're sat here now, the girls are using their time wisely to play rock, paper, scissors, and without a doubt Brooke's starting to get anxious about the dolphins and asking me endless questions about whether they'll bite, whether they are happy with all humans because they don't know her, that kind of thing. Hi guys, so what are you doing then now?
We're gonna swim with dolphins.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. This is where we are right now. Just gonna just have a look around. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so exciting. Hi. I see you, T. Try and go this way. Try and go forwards, yeah? Try to push that way. That's it, T. And try and go that way if you can, okay? Use your paddle. You need to push with your paddle.
Oh, yellow matching yellow.
There you go. Try and, that's it. Try and stop yourself, Brooke, with it. You're doing good, T.
That's it. If you push it back, that's it. Oh, you're going towards T, too far. That's it. You're probably going to crash into her. That's it, Brookie, that's it. Use that right one. Use the right one. Oh, there you go, that's it. Good girl, you got it. Watch your fingers, keep those fingers in.
So we are nearing the end of our holiday. We've had an amazing time. We have had a sandstorm from the Sahara Desert, which you probably all heard about on the news. It actually didn't hit us very hard here. We were all right. Everything just looked a bit orange for a few days, and the weather wasn't particularly amazing. But we've had 2 days of straight sun, which has been nice. Being able to relax by the pool. The kids have been able to go to mini club, and we've done kids disco and all that kind of normal holiday stuff. And I do really feel like we've been able to, and I've been able to actually rest and feel a lot better. The kids are still coughing. We still have a bit of a cough, but I was so much better than I was before I came away. So it's all good. And we still got a few days to relax, and then we head off home. Although the kids are really hoping that the flight is cancelled and we get extra days, because that's happened to a few people here, but I think by Friday it's gonna be okay.
Take me out to California.